Alright, I'm back. I'm a little pissed off I ruined a nice shirt and look like an idiot, but here we go again. Clean them up. I'm gonna keep my my stomach away from what I'm doing. Scares the crap out of you when this thing grabs your clothes.
I'm not a big fan of this vise I have, but the only vise I got, somebody gave it to me. It's a neat old vise, but I don't want to really put it too tight because I don't want to bend the post too much. Stay right in my face. It's really pitted. I'm hoping the JB Weld will work.
I have a little grinding wheel. We'll see if I can get them a little flatter. I don't know. I've seen these seat posts for about 50 bucks each, maybe 40 bucks, whatever, online. But I figure I'd try to save them. I'm not sure if it's possible though, because this is pretty thin. Well, I'll do the next one. I'll spare you the pain of watching.